What does Dolphin Class offer? Dolphin Class is designed for children aged 24 to 36 months, focusing on holistic development through fun, engaging, and hands-on learning experiences. Highlights of Dolphin Class: Oxford Phonics English. Asterisk learn vocabulary through songs, games, and visual activities. Asterisk develop natural listening skills and language response. Thinking math. Asterisk recognize numbers, colors, and shapes. Asterisk practice matching, sorting, and basic logical thinking. Creative art. Asterisk coloring, tearing and pasting, printing, and craft activities. Asterisk develop fine motor skills and creativity. Music and dance kid. Asterisk sing songs and move to music. Asterisk build confidence and body coordination. Physical activities. Asterisk ball games, obstacle courses, and movement challenges. Asterisk strengthen physical development and gross motor skills. Science exploration. Asterisk simple experiments and nature observations. Asterisk encourage curiosity and a love for discovery. Outdoor learning and field trips. Asterisk park walks and outdoor exploration activities. Asterisk learn through real-life experiences and observation. Life skills. Asterisk practice self-feeding, organizing personal belongings, and polite greetings. Asterisk learn sharing, cooperation, and social interaction. Dolphin Class is a place where our baby shark tanks build confidence, independence, and a love of learning through joyful experiences every day.